today's video, I'm going to show you how I replace this door handle. You're going to need a 2-lever lock set. It comes with all the internals and hardware. Screwdrivers, cordless drill, and then you got to remove the old stuff. Just because the door handle part is broken doesn't mean everything needs to be thrown away. I'll be keeping this in my garage, but it's out with the old and in with the new for now, with new screws. So start with putting in the new internal locking mechanism, and then you can move on to installing the handles. With the internals in place, I'm going to use the rod as a guide to keep my handle in place so that I can put the screws in. So, helpful little tip. So this was the piece that broke in the old handle. It was 10 to 15 years old, so it served a good life, but now it's time for the new one. With everything tightened up, it's time to test it out. It closes, it opens, and a few more points to the Husband of the Year award.
Can I go take two?
Okay, say take two.
Take two.